Today, we're talking Pow Pow Pops. All right, so we're doing chicken lollipops. So what we're gonna do is take your standard chicken leg, take our boning knife. We're just cutting all along the bone. Just be careful, there's a couple tendons in there too. You kind of like stretch them out. Once you have that removed, you're gonna take it, you're gonna peel this off. Then what you want to do is any tendons, kind of remove those so you have clean through all the way across and press it down, like so. All right, we've got our Pow Pow sauce. We're going to use this two ways, as a marinade and as a binder, so we can get that kunami to stick real good to it. Get these fully covered, season them up. All right, we got the chicken lollipops on the RegTech, rolling it around 350, 375. Gonna cook these till the internal temp is around 190 degrees. All right, we're getting up to temp. Time to get the glaze going. So we've got our Pow Pow, mixture of Pow Pow, butter, and brown sugar. We're gonna melt that together so we can get the glaze to set. All right guys, lollipops are almost done, about 10-15 minutes left. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take them. We've got our Pow Pow butter mixture. We'll start the glaze, put them back on, that glaze set. Back. Dunk again? Oh yeah, I like it. Going in for a second dunk, guys. All right, I'm gonna put it less. Good if I do?
Yep.